Hunt Valve's Mega-Flo Descale spray valves are known for reliability. The unique sliding plunger design makes it versatile and easy to maintain. And now it's even better. Hunt Valve has combined our decades of descale valve expertise to create the longest-lasting plunger valve you can buy, the Mega-Flo C. The Mega-Flo C offers an electromechanical actuator that provides precision control of your valve. It delivers cost savings with the following benefits. Provides integral header prefill with full shutoff capability that is not available on poppet valves. This extends the life of the valve and eliminates other valves and orifices in the system. Removes the sticking problems you experience with hydraulic and pneumatic control valves. Reduce water hammer damage with proportional stroke control. Adjust the valve's opening and closing speeds to eliminate wasted flow and to reduce cooling on the rolls and strip. Another feature that increases the Mega-Flo C's durability is the advanced ceramic materials added into the integral breakdown orifice. Hunt Valve is the only industrial valve manufacturer that provides this groundbreaking ceramic wear protection. This extends the service life up to 3 times longer than any other plunger-style descale valve because it's harder than steel, virtually unbreakable, incredibly resistant to corrosion and wear, and 10 times more durable than conventional valve materials. Another first for a descale valve, the new state-of-the-art housing liner is the first liner that can be replaced in the field. Your system will be back up and running without extensive machining and welding, a significant cost savings. Not ready to replace your current descale plunger valve? The Mega-Flo C cartridge can upgrade your existing installation by simply replacing the old-style cartridge. It's built to easily drop into the existing valve housing. You'll get all of the performance enhancements of the Mega-Flo C and save 40% from purchasing and replacing the entire valve. Hunt Valve's innovative plunger valve technology reduces cost and decreases unscheduled downtime. With up to 3 times the service life, you'll spend less on maintenance and replacement parts. Overall, you'll save up to 33% on the total cost of ownership of any other descale valve. And you'll have fewer disruptions to your operations. To learn more or request a quote, visit huntvalve.com or call 800-321-2757.